Let's see how you can use Swizo as an entrepreneur to organize your projects and things that you're working on. So we're on the main page here. What we're going to do is we're just going to click on login. I'm already logged in. So it's going to take you to the project dashboard. Here's where you can organize all the projects that you're working on. To create a new project, you simply come in here, new project. You can add the title, the name of the project, short description, any links to that project, your weekly goal, any details you want to add in here, and then you click save. These links are helpful, especially if you want to quickly reference a social media profile connected to your project. Instead of opening a new tab and having to type it in, you can just paste the link in here so you have quick and easy aspect. The weekly goals are also helpful because it allows you to keep focused on your project and to constantly improve them. So once you have your information, you click save, it'll take you back to the dashboard. There you have your project in here. And again, with the links here, you just come in here, you have all your social media profiles. And of course, the weekly goal is going to be made more dynamic, more engaging, but it's a great way to stay focused on what it is that you're working on. So if you come here, you have the mind maps, the brainstorming templates. Here we have the mind map, which is you have an initial problem and then you have solutions about how you want to solve that problem. Here it looks like this. So once you have your mind map set up, you click save, you have that saved in. We also have the reference link, and this is very useful, especially if you're looking at outside inspiration. Let's say you build custom websites for clients, or maybe you manage customers their website and you find inspiration on another project. Maybe you like the copywriting on another project. Now, normally when you have outside references or inspiration, there's nowhere you can really store that unless maybe you put it in a notes folder. But with this, all you do, you come and you put the title of that reference, you have the link, any details, you save that, and you can have that in there to reference at a later time. And of course, we have our general sticky notes with general information, any just random notes you want to add, you can put that in there. And so here's where you can have all your different brainstorming templates in there, your weekly goal, your links, a great way to keep your projects organized. So this is the project dashboard. And of course, we also have the idea space. This is where you can organize all the ideas that you have regarding your business, anything you want to improve. Maybe you want to start making YouTube videos, you want to start running ads. You just want to brainstorm and think of ways about how you can get started doing that. You can put all of these in here to help you improve your project. And of course, I have mine set up as random ideas, might create, probably will create, but you can come in here and change the titles to whatever meets your needs. Let's just come in here. Yes, go back. Okay, we have it set up here. And of course, whatever category you want to add, let's say you want to add one to probably will create, come in here. It's the same setup as before. You have your templates. Let's say you click on the wrong one, you just come in here, you click on there, and then it'll take you to whatever section that you want to add that template to. Now, of course, this is how Swizo looks so far. In the future, we are actually become here building a task feature. So that way you can go in and create tasks to each project. And the cool thing about it is if you come here, all these projects, whatever tasks that you're going to have will also show up in all the tasks. So let's say you come here, you click on tasks, but you have, let's say, 6 projects. Instead of having to click each project to see the task, you're going to be able to see all your tasks here. We've also been talking with some users who are looking at a timeline feature to be able to map out timelines of projects that you're working on. Let's say you're working with a client and you have a timeline of, okay, this is when this specific thing is supposed to start and move on to this, move on to this. So we're going to be building out that timeline feature that you can add to Swizo. And of course, more features and more ways to improve the way that you manage your projects as a solopreneur, whether you're a web designer, you're a developer, you run a software as a service, you're a marketer, you're in a web agency, whatever the case may be, solo entrepreneurs, this is the project management tool for you. So I hope this was able to help you see a little bit, this demo was able to help you see a little bit more about how Swizer works and how you can get started using it.